Everyone asks you why you stay. You don't have an answer really that makes sense to them, so you just kind of try and stop explaining it. But I know why you stayed because I did. It's called a trauma bond, and it's not love, but it is love, and it feels exactly like it. A trauma bond isn't how much you love somebody, it's how much fear is mixed into the love. It's a mix of both, really. The calm after the storm is what binds you, not despite the storm, because of it. I didn't know this actually had a name. I thought I was just being loyal. Sober periods, that's the man you married, and you love that man. The drinking periods, that's you when you become somebody who stops asking for things. You apologize and the promises, that's when he says, I'll cut back. And every cycle makes this bond stronger. That's not a flaw in you. That's how this brain works and his works and all of this stuff works. They'll call you codependent. They'll say that you're addicted to him. What they call codependency is survival. You adapted to stay safe. That's not a personality flaw. That's a nervous system response. That's the difference between choosing to stay and being unable to leave. And when you can't tell the difference between love and survival, that's a bond. It doesn't look like much, and it's not supposed to. And it starts with telling the truth to yourself on paper, not out loud. So write down what actually happened. Not the version he told you, not the version you told yourself, but the real version. The tiny act is the first crack, and that's where this starts. The big moves will come later. They came later for me and they will come later for you, but they don't have to start until you're ready to make the tiny small one. And maybe this first one is just writing down the actual truth, not for anyone else, but for you to see clearly what is actually happening. If you've been asking yourself, why can't I leave? Now you know. It's not because you're weak. It's not because the bond isn't real or is real. But so is there a way out? There is a way out. And subscribe if you want to keep walking this road with somebody who has already been on it.